Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a social media presence with Facebook ads. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build a strong social media presence using Facebook ads, follow these simple steps. First, define your target audience clearly. Identify who your ideal customers are. Consider their demographics, interests, and behaviors. Next, create a Facebook Business Manager account. This will help you manage your ads and pages efficiently. Once your account is set up, create a Facebook page for your business. Make sure to fill out all relevant information about your business. Use high-quality images and a compelling description. Now it's time to set your advertising objectives. Choose what you want to achieve: brand awareness, traffic, or conversions. After setting your objectives, navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. Select Create to start a new campaign. Choose your objective from the options provided. This step is crucial for effective targeting. Next, define your audience in the Audience section. Utilize custom audience features if you have existing customer data. Alternatively, you can create a lookalike audience to reach similar users. After defining your audience, set your budget and schedule. Decide how much you want to spend daily or over the campaign's lifetime. Now, select your ad placements. You can choose automatic placements or manually select where your ads will appear. Next, create your ad. Choose the format that fits your objectives, such as image, video, or carousel. Add eye-catching visuals and engaging copy to grab attention. Ensure your call to action is clear and compelling. After creating your ad, review all settings and ensure everything looks good. Once you're satisfied, click on the Publish button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.